someone just recently told me this. We do 3-part harmony, and we sound like one voice. Like there's something about the way our voices blend, and I think, and the drums work in with all that to just give it this really cool energy that just moves. And our music's pretty uplifting. Like you're gonna be, hopefully, feel energized and uplifted.
I love that idea about the single voice.
I thought that
I
was so
completely
cool.
agree with that.
Cool.
The harmonies are so tight.
It's a weird thing, and they are, and I don't know, like it's like our voices blend so well, but also in combination. We've been singing together for 10 plus years, and we don't get to practice as much as I'd like to anymore, but we still just show up and can just do it. It's so great. So great.
They perfectly complement each other.
Yeah.
Thank you. I definitely, the harmonies are a highlight of this band for sure.
Absolutely.
No